Matahom is a 2011 Leopard 44 sailing catamaran. It's produced by Robertson and Caine out of South Africa. She has 4 cabins, which are bedrooms, and 4 heads, which are bathrooms, and started her life off as a charter boat in Phuket, Thailand. We bought her in mid-2020 during the COVID lockdowns, which surprisingly means we bought her sight unseen. We had a great surveyor and a rig inspector that both went above the call of duty to make our dream a reality.
Let's go for a tour. We are here at the salon area of the yacht, and Jason is trying to lower it down, turn it to bed. You can? No? Hard?
I don't know if the trigger.
The kitchen area of the boat. So we have oven here, and stove here.
Turn on.
Yeah, it is.
It leaks. We got a leak right here that we have to fix.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna put a new faucet on there.
And then our glass cup and our plates is here, and our spoons and fork and knife is everything in here. Okay. And then here is just for cleaning stuff. Also here, plates and for baking something. Okay.
Okay, so first off we have our AC panel. This is our DC panel. Up here we have our UHF radio, so we can communicate when offshore. This is all of our generator controls. Stereo, most important thing. And then you can check your port engine battery, your starboard engine battery, your house battery, all from there. I want to change this out and put a Victron one in here. And then your air conditioning controls. This is not currently working with the radio. And then you can pick between shore power and generator power. You cannot push both at the same time. I can't turn this off or else I'll have no light. So if I push this up and then turn on the generator, then I can get generator power. Or shore power 2, but same thing, I don't need that. That's about it. Okay, and then the fridge freezer, we got the freezer up top, and we got frozen stuff inside. We've just been messing around to see if it works. It absolutely works. We got a frozen
Milk tea.
yeah, milk tea. And then down below, we got the refrigerator. This was up above, that's why it's frozen. Same thing, we're just messing around with them still, trying to figure them all out. But they obviously work very well. And then down here,
What is that called?
so if the boat flips over, that's how you get out. It's one of the ways you can get out.
Yeah, you can open that.
Yeah, you can open that and you can get out. So.
We have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. So
There are
that's
four cabins or suites.
I just called.
Called a cabin or a suite, and then the bathrooms are called heads.
Oh, really? I didn't
You can
know.
call them whatever you want.
Okay, this is the first head.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's big. It's not bad.
It's light.
Yeah. Okay, we have light. So we put towel here. Towels, and you can lay on here, but we really need an aircon.
Yeah. There's air conditioning in here. It's just
Yeah.
we don't have it on. So for now,
Yeah,
and
you
that's
can
closed.
open here. Yeah, you can open here. Like that, so the air will go inside. Like that.
Pull the screen. There's 2 of them.
Here's
No.
2. What?
This.
This one?
Yep. Pull that one. Okay, that one's a shade.
Oh, this is for the
I'll put
shade.
that one back and put the other one.
Oops. Okay, this one for yeah,
That
lamok.
one's a screen for the little look. Mosquitoes in Bisaya.
Yep. Okay.
All right, so this is the trampoline. It looks like it's in pretty good shape. And in the survey, it surveyed just fine. They didn't say anything about replacing it or even checking it out or nothing. It makes a noise, but all the grommets are good. They're all in their spot. None of them are tore. All the lines look good. There's no frayed lines or anything. So basically, don't have to do anything with this. Which is great. One less thing to do. This right here is the main reason why we picked this particular boat, because the front cockpit is just incredible. A lot of boats, there's just nothing here. You just come sit on the front, and the front kind of tapers down. But up here you've got seating, you got a table right here that's folded down, you got another seat over here. So it's pretty cool. And whenever you're underway, there's a lot of wind, so on and so forth. So you can just open this door here and it just blows right through.
Yeah. So what's in there? Like
Second cabin. You get another one of these that does the same thing as the other one. You get a nice big window going out, and we've got a cover over the entire boat, so it's hard to see, but that's a pretty big window. And then up there is actually another, you can sleep up there. It's like for a kid or something, I don't know. It's probably about 6 feet maybe, so I mean you could actually sleep an adult in there, I believe. And then you get a lot of storage here.
yeah, you can store clothes.
And it's the same in the other cabin too. The front cabins are slightly smaller, but not much. And there's storage down below, storage there.
Why you open this thing? You open this one. This is alright. This is used to be open. You open this one.
Oh. Suppose I didn't get water in here.
Okay, let's go to the next head. Head. So hard here.
Yeah, the left side is the port side, the right side is the starboard side.
So it's like they are the same.
Yeah, it's a mirror of the other side.
Yeah, it's just the same. Same. Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, it's nice.
And then of course over here, same again.
But
But
we lost something.
when we bought the boat, this is something we're missing and we're gonna go have made here soon. We only have half the bed. So I'm not sure where it's at. Nifty thing about these beds is there's a separator. And it's right here. So normally there'd be another mattress over there. But what you can do is you can take that out and then you can have 2 people sleep here. And their middles will touch, but not their heads. So there's a massive amount of room up here. I need to fill something in here. They had some type of VH radio speaker there, and I don't know why they covered it like that, but they did. I gotta put something in there, I'm not sure what yet. Another gauge of some sort. But this up here, there's so much rooftop. I can put so much solar up here. Speaking of which, I need to measure up here because I have a supplier that I'm gonna get some panels from. I gotta see if they fit. But yeah, it's pretty big. And then of course you can walk around to the front of the boat this way normally, but this tarp's in the way. And same on the other side.